Welcome back, creators. So today we have a very exciting topic, how to make an engaging product demo video. In this brief video, we're going to be sharing some valuable tips and techniques that will help you not only engage with your audience, but give you tips to showcase your product effectively, leaving a lasting impression. Now, of course, a product demo is exactly how it sounds, a demonstration of a product or service. Not to be confused with an unboxing video or review, this video shows how the product is actually used. So first things first, understanding the product. To create a stellar product demo video, you need to make sure you thoroughly understand the product you're presenting. Research and familiarize yourself with all the features, benefits, and even the unique selling points of this product. By having that in-depth knowledge, you'll be able to communicate its value more effectively. Next up, identify the target audience. This may seem trivial, but knowing your target audience is crucial to tailoring the product demo video for their needs and preferences. So who are you trying to reach in this video? What are their pain points, desires, and interests? Number 3, plan your video structure. A well-structured video keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Begin the video maybe with a compelling hook to catch the viewer's attention. For example, if you're doing a product demo for these AirPod Pros, you might want to say something like, here's 3 hidden features that I bet you didn't know about the new AirPod Pro. Now, of course, make sure you have some hidden features. Then you want to outline these features or key points throughout the video. For example, again, this could be something like compact, rechargeable carrying case. Maybe another feature is noise canceling earbuds. Highlight all the key points logically and in a fun way to keep the audience engaged. Finally, in your video, you want to make sure you end it with a call to action. But you don't want to say just visit the website for more. You want to make it compelling and relate it to the product. You could say something like, ditch those old headphones you're wearing and upgrade to the AirPods Pro today. The next part to creating an engaging product demo video is you want to show, not tell. Some videos get caught up in explaining everything there is to know about the product. But bottom line, this is a product demo video, so people want to see it in action. Maybe you can use visuals and screen captures, some ways to elevate how the product works in a real life scenario. So again, for these AirPods, maybe it's going on a run or listening to a podcast, something that the audience can relate to. Avoid long explanations, just focus on the visual aspect of the product, showcasing the benefits, which brings me to another point. Keep it concise and engaging. Nowadays, people's attention spans are less than 7 seconds. So if you're not really good at content videos, this shouldn't be more than 3 to 5 minutes. You want to keep the length reasonable with captivating visuals throughout. What are some other creators maybe promoting this product or something similar? If they're creating a 10-minute video, if your video is shorter, viewers are more likely to watch that. Next up, incorporate storytelling. We all love a good story, right? So incorporate storytelling techniques to create an emotional connection for the viewer. Maybe share relatable anecdotes, highlight customer success stories, and demonstrate how the product can solve their problem. Storytelling just adds an extra depth to the video, and it humanizes your product, making it more relatable. Next up, use high-quality visuals and audio. Even if you don't have a high-tech camera or mic like this, you can get away with creating some incredible visuals with just your phone and a lavalier mic. Be sure to use visuals throughout the video, maybe close-up shots and overlays, along with graphics to emphasize key features. Last and certainly not least, include social proof and testimonials. See, social proof is a way to build trust and credibility with this product or service. You want to incorporate maybe testimonials, reviews, and endorsements within your product video. These real-life experiences from satisfied customers will reinforce the value and relatability of your product. Well, there you have it. A few quick tips for creating an engaging and effective product demo video. Now, of course, there's plenty more to talk about here. So if you want to know more, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below on what you want to hear next. We'll see you on the next video, and happy creating, friends.